Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my skincare routine. I think I haven't done a skincare routine video in a while and I'm really happy to show you my new and improved skincare routine using only kbeauty products. Recently I was contacted by the company Stylevana, and if you haven't heard about Stylevana, they are a huge online shop that retails kbeauty skincare and makeup, and I want to thank them for being so generous and sending me a lovely PR package. I've already shown you in my Instagram page when I first received my PR package, and I have been testing them throughout those weeks, and I want to share with you how I feel about them and also to show you how they apply on the skin and what are their benefits, what they are going to do for your skin. So I was taking short clips when I was applying my skincare in the evening and in the morning with those products in action. I'm going to have listed down below on my description box all the products that I've used, the discount code, and other information about Stylevana. The products were sent to me to try and my opinions are my own. I'm going to start by doing a little bit of unboxing. Actually, when I received my box, it was by the end of September and we still had some nice warm weather outside, so I took the advantage of taking this footage outside. From obvious reasons, I am fading out my shipping address, but this is the box that came in and you see that it has the Stylevana logo on the top. Everything came nicely packed, and on the top I can see that we have this black snail cream, which I am very excited to try. I heard great things about this kind of products. Then we have a SPF 50, which I'm always excited about because you cannot have too much SPF, never. This is an essence toner, G+ silver peptide ampule by the brand Wilderma. Okay, the sunlight was playing with me. This is a black rice hyaluronic anti-wrinkle serum by Huraru Wonder. I heard such great things about black rice, and we all know about the hyaluronic acid benefits. A collagen eye serum, yummy! The brand name is Farm Stay. And what do we have here? This is a pink box. Oh my god, let's see the sneak peek. So actually, this is the cute pink box. We have here the Beauty of TryOn and Stylevana exclusive set for clear and glowing skin. And guys, I want to tell you something that I've seen they have on all their packages. They have the expiration date of the product. So this kit expires on 2024, February 25. If I do not forget, I'm going to show you for all the boxes. So inside we have 2 serums, a toner, and 7 sachets of a hydrating cream. So I'm really excited to try all those products, and this is what we are going to see next. I'm going to start with my nighttime skincare because this is how I started to incorporate them in my skincare regimen. But first we have to wash all the makeup and to prepare the skin. And now I'm back with the clean skin and I'm zooming you in so we can see each other a little bit better. After washing my skin, I'm applying this toner, the green tea toner that I have got in the clear skin set by Beauty of TryOn. And what I love about this, guys, is the fact that it has a pump and it's like a foam. So I love the fact that you don't need any type of cotton pad or anything to apply, just your own hands and pat it, dab it onto the skin. It contains 25% green plum, which is a prunus mume fruit water, plus AHA 3%. Now I love using a chemical exfoliant during night, and I'm loving this one because it's gentle yet effective, does not irritate my skin, and it's bubbly. So this kind of product that you don't need anything else but your bare hands to apply it on your skin, as I already mentioned. On the website, this is described as being a fresh, hydrating, exfoliating toner enriched with handbag, not handbag, so handbag, which is a traditional Korean herbal medicine. So it's enriched with handbag ingredients for brighter skin. La pièce de la résistance is the super cool eye cream by Farmstar, the collagen water full moist rolling eye serum. And what is cool about this product is the roller that has 3 tiny little roller balls that massage and help the product to be fully absorbed into the skin. Oh my god, this is so soothing and relaxing, you guys, you cannot believe it. As you can tell, I could do that all evening. So this product contains hydrolyzed collagen and shea butter, which help plump and hydrate the under eye area, and can also be used around lips. And what this product does, it helps fading the fine lines and wrinkles, and the roller helps blood circulation, making the skin flawless. Now I have 2 serums that I use during evening, but I alternate them. First is this Welderma G Plus Silver Peptide Ampule, and I got this from their website. Silver has 100 times the antimicrobial power of antibiotics, and silver is a perfect natural antibiotic that helps prevent skin aging by removing the waste, dead skin cells and sebum from the skin. But also this Welderma G Plus Silver Peptide Ampule has 5 types of peptides that cures various skin troubles caused by the aging skin. So this is an awesome product, and the price is so good, guys. I need to stock up this because I see that now when I'm recording this video, this is highly discounted. This is good to use before 2023 December 21. So genius that it has the expiration date on the actual bottle. And because I did not make a demo, I want to show you guys how it looks like, and also show you the consistency. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see some small beads. Maybe you can tell on the actual bottle. And it's green. It looks like this. It doesn't have any smell, and it's lovely. It's so hydrating, so moisturizing. I have used this, but not on camera. I haven't put it on the day when I was shooting the actual try-on. So really loved. You can tell that I've already made a dent to it. I think this product deserves a dedicated review, so let me know if you're interested about this. I will do that later on for you guys. But on today's video, I am applying the Beauty of Joseon calming serum that contains green tea. Actually, this is called Camellia sinensis leaf water, and it does have a concentration of 76.49%, and also it has 2% panthenol. Green tea is an antioxidant, and it's also known for its benefits as soothing, reducing the sebum, and minimizing the signs of aging. So what else it says about this product on their website? They say that this is a safe formula infused with AYG, which is green graded naturally derived calming and moisturizing ingredients. Next, I am applying this beautiful black rice hyaluronic anti-wrinkle serum by the brand Haru Haru Wonder that has this adorable packaging. Oh my god, I cannot go over that. I love the packaging so much. On their website says that this product can be used after cleansing and toning, and best to follow with essence or cream and finish with facial oil. Black rice is rich in antioxidants and is full of highly concentrated polyphenol and flavonoid pigment, which protects skin against free radicals, including ultraviolet radiation and pollution, and encourage new cell growth. This product can be used day and night and has a lovely lavender scent. I love this scent. It's really natural. Moving to the face cream, I am using the Black Snail Cream for Revitalizing by the brand Bellflower. They say about this cream that it can be used day and night, and it contains black snail secretion filtrate, which is an amazing exfoliant, sodium hyaluronate, which all know about its benefits, allantoin, and it's an anti-aging product targeting wrinkles, dullness, radiance, and it's good for all skin types. And it also can be used day and night. And this expires in April 2024. So yeah, April 29 actually is my happy date of birth. Now, with all those goodies on our face, we are ready to get our beauty sleep. So see you in the morning. Good morning! After I woke up and I washed my skin, I'm using the Essence Toner by Pune Kang Yul that is formulated with hydroxyethyl cellulose, arginine and carbomer, and it smooths and moisturizes while removing dead skin cell and other residue. Then I come back and I use the Collagen Water Full Moist Rolling Eye Serum by the Farmstay. And I want to tell you guys that applying this on the morning, especially if you have puffiness around your eye area, this has a cooling effect and it's instantly depuffing and massaging and helping me to reduce that puffiness that most of us has during morning. So it's really good for depuffing. And if you put this product in the skincare fridge, if you have something like this, or in your normal refrigerator, and use it cool in the morning, I think it's a gut scent product. Following by that, I'm adding the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, but I'm taking a break to show you my nail art. This serum, it's infused with propolis and niacinamide that helps to brighten the skin, and we all want that in the morning. Also, it's anti-inflammatory, which is why I decided to use it in the morning. I'm taking a dab of the Black Rice Hyaluronic Anti-Wrinkle Serum by Haru Wonder, which is an excellent moisturizer also for morning routine and will prepare the skin to look supple and hydrated throughout the day. This has the consistency of a serum, so I like to follow it up with a moisturizer. Hence, I'm using the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream sachet that came into the box. This Dynasty Cream is also enriched with nourishing handbag ingredients like ginseng and orchid extract that moisture, brighten and tighten the skin. The formula also helps strengthen the moisture barrier so skin stays hydrated longer. And also what I like about this cream is that it absorbs really fast and leaves a really nice sensation to the touch. Of course, we cannot seal the deal without applying a what? Of course, an SPF. And what is better for our skin? None other than a SPF 50. So this water sun cream by the brand Thank You Farmer is ideal for this purpose. This is a chemical SPF, so I don't typically have any issue with this type of SPF, but I do love that it glides on so nice and offers a healthy glow. And the price is also nice. So guys, this is my entire skincare routine, both morning and evening, using only kbeauty products from the Stylevana website. If you want to try some of those lovely products, I will have everything listed and linked down below on my description box, and I'm also going to have a discount code for you. I think it's affiliate, I'm not sure, I need to double check, but I think I might get a small commission if you are going to use my discount code, but that commission is going a long way to support and improve the content of my channel, so I want to thank you in advance if you are going to do that. I want to thank again Stylevana for sending me to try those lovely products, and also working with Stylevana. It was a really lovely experience. Now guys, it's your turn to let me know down below in the comment section what was your favorite product from the product that I've shown you on today's video, and if you want a particular review about any of the products that I've shown you, don't hesitate to ask for that. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Take care of your skin and stay beautiful. Bye bye. Which is a traditional Korean herbal medicine, which is traditional Korean herbal medicine which is a traditional Korean herbal medicine. 3 tiny little laurel, which all know, which oil, sodium hyaluronate. Okay guys, now it's your turn to let me know down below in the description.